What's up, guys? This is Greg from Masterson's Car Care, and we now have our Masterson's Ultra Gloss Tire Shine in stock exclusively on our website, mastersonswax.com. Now, this is the wettest tire shine we have ever manufactured. This gives that super wet drip look that you want on your tires. And you spray this on the tires, and it gives a super wet shine. Works on big tires, small tires. It also works on faded and discolored plastic trim. So if you got faded bumpers on your older cars, this is the greatest product to spray on and deliver a super wet finish. So if you want the wettest tires you have ever seen, you gotta pick up our Masterson's Ultra Gloss Tire Shine, and you can pick this up right now on our website, mastersonswax.com. Now, I'm Greg. I'm gonna go get some tires wet. We'll see you next time, and always remember, have fun, stay clean, and keep on detailing.